Hello, and welcome to another update video about EGLD. Yeah, I covered it a few times now, not so frequently on this channel, but it's still a somewhat popular coin out there. So yeah, I mean, this coin, I am giving it a chance for an overall bullish scenario in the yellow wave count, right? Already back in, I think it was January, yeah, when we were coming down here, I calculated for you this support area, yeah. I can't remember if it was this one or this one. Anyway, I mentioned it in one of the previous videos already in January. So we eventually reached that area, and this is basically calculated. Well, it's all based on Fibonacci levels, right? So the price moved into this region and has reversed out of it in quite a volatile way, you could say. The problem is this was not long lasting. So of course I cannot confirm to you that the reversal is actually happening. We have far too little price action. Actually, this is a three-wave move to the upside. But basically for me, it's a bit of a wait and see this one now. I mean, we moved down, yeah, the price broke out of this descending wedge to the downside, which is certainly not bullish, but it reached our trend reversal area. We have a larger area, which goes all the way down to $13.40. Which is for me the long-term make or break point. I mean, below that level, EGLD is going to be long-term bearish probably. If we get closer, I will calculate that more precisely. This at the moment, because there are other charts, like the USD chart, I think has a little bit longer chart history, but we're not even close. So at the moment, I've just been watching this box here for a potential reversal, for a potential turnaround, and it's showing that at the moment. So for me now, it's to see, okay, is this anything that's sustainable? At the moment, it doesn't really seem like it, okay? Not given the general market conditions. It had a micro inverse head and shoulders here on the chart. Tried to break back into the price channel or the descending wedge. So far, not really successful, okay? Let's go to the 4-hour chart. Let's go to the 4-hour chart. This looks really like a three-wave move to me. So we'll see. I mean, it just has this three-wave characteristic, right? Could maybe get away with counting it as a 5-wave move, but honestly, I don't like the last move to the upside here. Don't like how it looks, but let's give it the benefit of the doubt. I mean, basically, this was the area where we expected a turnaround. It turned around. Very questionable 5 waves due to the look of this. This last wave up looks like a 3-wave move, and that is my problem. So what I really cannot do with high confidence is to say that this was a 1, a 2, a 3. Wave 4 probably here. And then this was wave 5, because wave 5 is a 3-wave move. It's also a little long. So let's go to the 1-hour chart. Maybe we have a little bit more detail, but it just looks like a 3-wave move. So I can already tell you I don't trust this. Yeah, I don't trust this initial 5-wave move up. But nevertheless, even so, if it is a 5-wave move, which I don't think it is, then I can give you a support area, yeah, but questionable. So support is $23.60. So this level really needs to hold. So I'll highlight that in orange because it's basically higher risk, you know, because I cannot recognize clear 5 waves. So it's questionable. But as soon as the price drops back below $23.60, that's the signal that new lows should be coming, yeah. This, for me, it looks so much like a 3-wave move, and the strong sell-off basically confirms that. But we'll see. At the moment, you know, I will not confirm that a lasting low has been established on this chart yet. But obviously, a reaction to the key area happened, and it just needs to prove itself. I mean, extensions to the downside are always possible. And I don't want to make the impression that this is a bullish chart, right? I said we give it the chance. This was a target, and that now it's a bit of a wait and see for me. Somewhere from here between $13.40 and $24.80 in an ideal world, we would get at least in the bearish interpretation a wave 2 rally into the region between $74 and $269. That could be a bull market target. If the price breaks impulsively above it, then it could be a 3rd wave in the yellow wave count. It's a bit of an ambiguous chart, so I don't give it very high probability that it will reach new all-time highs in the bull run, but we can watch it, and it certainly has reached a long-term support area. Yeah, obviously, if it keeps dropping, it would just confirm the weakness on this chart. It is a weak chart. Yeah, just look at what it's done compared to Bitcoin. I mean, most altcoins have performed quite weak, but if you compare it to Solana, yeah, or some other let's say some other top 10 coins maybe, you know, they didn't drop that much. It just hasn't even given us any indication it could have made a bear market low, whereas other coins have, at least some others. Okay, so we need to compare the performance of different altcoins as well. But I can only tell you we have a complete wave count to the downside, which can always extend. But I can tell you that a first level when I would really start to watch and really start to assume that a lasting low has been established, well, confirmation is a long way, but far away. But good indication would be a break above the wave 4 high, right? $38.20, and then a break above the descending wedge pattern. I mean, this is really solid. If it gets that, and then it can go quite quickly to that $74 level. But for now, this is a questionable reversal. I'm observing it, but I need 5 waves, and this is very questionable what it's done. Okay, that's my update about EGLD. I hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.